Hey, you. You want to see what I'm doing today? Come on. You so nosy. Did you know that sergers can get so dirty? So it's best that you take some type of brush and clean them off before you start your next project. But guess what? That's not why we're here. Hold on, let me show you something. There is a myth going around saying that sergers are really, really loud and intimidating to a person who has never used one. So let's find out. Is it true or not? Let's go. This is how loud my serger is. Is it intimidating? At first, yes. But can you do it? Absolutely. Oh, I don't have any scissors. Hold on. And your serger will give you clean, finished edges. So, try it today. Don't be intimidated by the sound. Okay. See you later.